Episode 7, Propellers Installation. First, we need to distinguish the orientation of the propellers for proper installation. Propellers marked with the letter R are clockwise, CW propellers, while those without an R are counterclockwise, CCW propellers. Place the aircraft flat on a table with the camera facing forward, referencing the motor sequence in the diagram. Motors 1 and 4 use counterclockwise CCW propellers without the R mark, while motors 2 and 3 use clockwise CW propellers with the R mark. Propellers on diagonal motors should have the same orientation, and the side with text should face upward during installation. After placing the propellers, use a tool to tighten the nuts onto the motors to secure them in place. That's all for this video. In the next episode, we'll introduce the pre-flight check.